We talked about websites in one of the past episodes. Today we are going to stay with this topic as well. That's right, my friends, it's Money Monday, photography marketing, episode number 4. My name is Zdenka. Darula. I work as a photographer for many years. I'm a former model and a few other things. Should you use your name for your website, or should you use any other name such as Toronto Portraits such and such? That's right, my friends. We are going to be talking about domain names. Let's say you want to go with your name, your artist name. That was actually my case. I wasn't interested in creating franchise. I decided to go with my name only. If I wanted to create a large company franchise where I would hire another photographers, then most likely I would not go with my name. I would create something different. So make that decision very carefully. When you are ready to publish your website, you don't want to use free URLs such as mybusiness.webhostingcompany.com because Google won't put much trust in it. You have to make that good decision right at the beginning. It's not recommended to change domain name later on. Because the older the domain name is, the more years you have it online, Google will mark it as experienced. You also want to own your name, so register.com, .ca if you live in Canada, register those extensions. I've made that mistake in the past. I think it was the .ca I missed. And some Asian company bought it, used it highly inappropriately. It was a mess. Don't make that mistake. Register the extensions. Make sure your name is used in the title in the page about us. Register your names in other accounts such as Google+, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, you name it. Even if you are not active right now and you are not going to be active in the near future on it, you will still own the names. Well, that is all when it comes to domain names, my friends. If you like today's video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments or simply want to say hello, you know where to do it in the video description below. I'm looking forward to hear from you all, and you know I read it and I will respond. So thank you again, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ahoj.